Hello, guys, and welcome back again to my channel. It's your girl, Georgette. What's up? And are you new to my channel? Welcome. And so please do not subscribe until the end. Wait for the end. Welcome to my channel. My channel is all about inspiring you, motivating you, and I do hope I can play a role in helping to transform your lives because I have totally transformed my life. And how I've done that, you know, I've done that by getting rid of old self limiting beliefs. Whatever you believe to be true for yourself, it is so. But if you can get rid of those old beliefs that you're ugly, that you are fat, you're not smart, you're unintelligent because you don't have the degree, then that is true. But when you start to remove those limiting beliefs for yourself, you start to empower yourself. And then you start to transform yourselves. So that's what my entire channel is about, is how to implement empowering beliefs to empower yourselves and to transform. That's what my channel is about. So I have a whole lot of videos. Keep watching and subscribe on the end and turn your notifications on the end. So I'm going to talk about 3 signs when you know you're close to manifesting. And as I'm talking to you, I'm talking to myself because I have a lot of little personal stories I'm going to share. The first sign, I was listening to a vlog and the gentleman was saying, one of the first things, and that is true for me, when you know that you're starting to really manifest, and this is in practicing the law of attraction. Are you practicing the law of attraction, first of all? Do you have positive affirmations? Do you meditate? Do you visualize your big goals and your dreams? So if you're practicing the law of attraction, I'm speaking to you, and if you're not, then I have a lot of videos to really help you to practice the law of attraction and to get what it is that you desire in your life. And one of the things when you know you're really starting to manifest and your manifestation is close to you is when you're starting to lose things and people. When you start to lose things out of your life, or people just for no reason, good friends, just distance themselves from you. That just happened to me That just happened to me. No love lost, nothing, and I really am not hanging with a lot of people. A lot of persons haven't seen me. But there's this one person that we go to the beach together, hang out together. But lately, I haven't seen her. She haven't called me. I haven't called her because I've been so busy working on different projects. And I'm looking, I said, wow. So what happens is that the universe, God, you have to be emptied and cleansed from the old energy. If you're desiring big things, you have to get on that frequency. And so the things that maybe your car is down, a new car is coming into your existence. So you got to get rid of that old car, that old energy. Your home, where you live, you're always complaining or not complaining, but because we're not talking about negative energy now. You just see something bigger or greater for your life. And when you look, you got evicted or fire or something. So that's what I'm saying to you, that the old must go, the old energy, the old stuff. So guys, pay attention to that. When things are moving out of your life or people, if you're on this frequency of vibrating a high energy and practicing the law of attraction and manifestation, pay attention daily what's going on. I've been doing that. I've actually been really doing that. Pay attention to who is walking out of your life for no particular reason. Pay attention if you've just lost your cell phone and don't know where your cell phone is. Now you got to buy a brand new, better cell phone. So when the old goes, better, it's replaced with better, new energy. Yeah? And so that's one of the ways when you know you're very close. You're starting to lose things. You're starting to lose people around you. Yeah? And then another way, number 2, is, have you noticed any weird thing like people just inviting you out? You know, because some people are manifesting the man of their dreams, the love of their lives. And so you may have a good friend just say, why don't you come and have dinner with me? And you're home working on the goal, working on the dream. No, 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 I can't come. But the universe also uses people, energy, to bring that thing into your existence, because everything is energy. And so sometimes things just don't fall in your lap, which it does sometimes. Law of attraction lets things fall in your lap, but it also takes you out of your comfort zone. So say, look around. If you have someone keep calling you up, man, come on and hang with me this evening, man. Come on, just get out, get from in front of the computer. People like to say, Georgette, remove from in front of the computer, remove from in front of the camera, making videos every day. Come, like someone texted me today. I just finished working on my book and published my book, and someone messaged me, said, Georgette, I'm going on the beach. It's a beautiful warm day here in the tropical Bahamas. And said, I have a bottle of red wine and I'm going on the beach. And I don't drink red wine as much. I used to have a glass of red wine every weekend. I don't anymore. I'm now into apple and cinnamon tea. Amazing tea. So I put the red wine aside a bit because I want to feel good at all times. I don't want to feel drowsy. I meditate 3 times a day. And so I put that to the side for right now. Not that I won't have my glass of red wine, but for right now. And so I was telling the person that I am here finishing my ebook and just published it, and I had some other finishing touches I'm doing on it. And they say, well, of course. That was the response. Well, of course. So, but we have to, now, if the person invites me again, I'm going to perhaps make some time just to get away from the computer and just sit and chit chat for a minute. So sometimes you're being taken out of your comfort zone. You never know. I may jump in my car and driving down the road, I may come into an opportunity. Someone may bump right into me. You know, I say, oh, you're the lady on YouTube. Or, you know, so you never know. So sometimes you're taken away from your space. Someone just keeps inviting you. That's also a way of your manifestation, because they're like pulling you towards the manifestation. So as you go through your day, pay attention to who, of any little coincidences or any little thing out of the norm. Like, this person normally don't call me, and this person is calling me for me to go and have lunch with them. Perhaps you should. You never know. On your way there, you never know what opportunity you may come into. Yeah, because sometimes things fall in your lap, but sometimes you have to go out there, you know. And then another way, oh boy, this has been happening to me lately, but I'm cheerful, I'm happy, I'm joyful, because I know challenges are tests to test how strong your roots are, the foundation to see if you can be trusted with all those things that you desire. Can you handle when you get them? How strong are you? When challenges keep happening one after another, oh my gosh, stay positive. Trust and believe that you are very close to your manifestation. Yes, that's what I have learned. Because what's going to happen, you're going to go in the negative when things, you're like, oh my God, why me? Why me? Why? I said that the other day and I caught myself. I said that the other day when I just one challenge after the other came at me. And I'm like, Lord, why? Oh gosh. Well, why? I know I'm not supposed to say those words. I utter it once and I caught myself. I said, okay. I said, yes, I'm at the right place at the right time. Yeah, I said, yes, Georgette, your roots are getting stronger, girl. You know, so when you notice, especially if you're practicing the law of attraction and if you're working on your manifestation and your visualization, why would challenges come your way? It's a test. It is a test to test your roots, to test if you are ready. Are you ready, guys, for what you want, what you're desiring to be manifested? Are you ready for it? You know, I always hear my mentor say that people say they want to be rich. Oh, I want to be a millionaire. And on his program, which I'm going to leave the link for that, it's a script called the Genius Script. And he was saying how he sent his father on this first class vacation, fly first class, stay in the penthouse or the very upscale, the nice room, the penthouse suite or presidential suite. and how they did everything for him because they carry your luggage, they wheel you around in a wheelchair if needed be, which his father needed that to happen for him. And it makes you feel uncomfortable if you're not ready. People are doing things waiting on your mommy would say waiting on your hands and feet, but you're not comfortable with that. And so, as my mentor would say, you say, "Oh, why are they doing all that for me? Oh, why are they making my bed? Why are they doing all that stuff for me?" You're in the room and they come in the room and they make your bed up, or they bring you breakfast or coffee and just treat you like a king or a queen. Are you ready to manifest that in your life? You got to go through the challenges. The challenges are tests. And if at this time you notice something broke down over there, and then when you look and you got it fixed, and then when you look again, something else over here is not working. Something else is, it's a test. You just have to trust and believe that you are like right there. And a lot of people miss out on their manifestation because during that time where you're like, I'm doing everything right. I heard myself saying that the other day. I didn't say it out loud. I heard myself wanting to say that. I'm like, well, Jesus, what more? I've isolated myself from everybody. I am meditating 3 times a day. I am doing my affirmation. I journal pages every night. I went to bed 6 a.m. this morning. I was up by 10. I was finishing up my ebook. And so, guys, when that's happening to you, make a note. Okay, the car just broke down. Okay, I went outside, all 4 tires are flat, or 2 tires are flat. Okay, I'm cooking my food on the stove and in the oven, and it's burnt. I forgot it in the oven, it's all burnt up. There's no food to eat. Notice when they're the test. Notice the challenges, the test. Their test. That's when you're really, really close to manifesting. So those are 3 little signs to take note of when you're practicing the law of attraction and you're visualizing big goals to become your reality and to manifest. Take note of when you're losing people and things out of your life. Take note that the old energy, you're being cleansed from the old because you have to make room for the new. Take note when they're like unusual phone calls or visits from people inviting you to go somewhere. Yeah, it could be an opportunity out there waiting for you. Yeah, the universe is using that energy to take you out of your comfort zone, to get out of the house, and to take you out. Yeah, not that you have to be all over the place with people, but just take note of like those strange things you haven't heard from this person in a long time, and this person called you up to come and have lunch with them. Really? Yeah, take note of that and perhaps take them up on that offer. And then take note when things are breaking down around you, like just challenges after a challenge. And you're doing everything that you believe to be correct. You believe you're doing everything that is right. And things, you just have challenges come upon you. Smile and say, yes, my roots are strong. I'm ready. I'm ready. Because the challenge is a test. And what it is you're desiring requires you to have deep, strong foundation and roots to handle all the big stuff that you're desiring in your life. Yeah. And so, guys, that's what I have for you today. So if you're new and haven't subscribed to me at all as yet, please smash in on the subscribe, leave your notifications on, interact with your girl. Let me know if you've had any challenges this week. What's going on with you? Let's interact. Let me know if I can give you any advice. Hit me up. I'm going to leave some videos popping up for you to continue watching. Thank you so much for visiting. I'm leaving you my free ebook. And if you think you got some value here, I have a whole lot of goodies in the free book. So I'm leaving that link below. Grab your free ebook. I'm sending you a whole lot of love and light. Mwah. Bye now.